Okay, 11. Next problem, the angles of elevation of the top of a tower were observed from points A and B, which lie on a horizontal line passing through the foot of the tower. B is 5 meters away from the tower. A and B are 8 meters apart. The angle at B is twice as much as that at A. How high is the tower? Okay, so una muna, drawing natin. Let's say, ito muna yung ano, yung base. Okay, tapos kunwari ito yung tower. Nariyan yung tower. Tinatanong yung height nito, no? Tawagin natin na h. Okay? So, tower yan, no? Okay? Um, ang sabi? Yung A and B daw, 8 meters apart. Tapos yung B, 5 meters away from the tower. So, bago ko i-drawing, no? I-figure out ko lang muna, sino yung mas malapit sa A, sino yung mas malapit sa tower? Yung A ba o yung B? Sabi kasi dito, yung angle ni B is twice na mas malaki dun sa angle ni A or angle of elevation. So, ano ba yun? Ano ba ibig sabihin? Di ba kapag nandito tayo sa malapit, ang angle natin, ito, no? Ito yung angle natin. Pag lumayo tayo, let's say, exaggerate natin, ano nangyari sa angle? Lumiit, no? Lumiit. Galing dito sa malapit, malaki. Sa malayo, maliit na yung angle. No? So, ibig sabihin, kung yung angle B, doble yung laki niya sa A, si angle B yung, I mean, si point B yung mas malapit. No? So, nandito si point B. Tapos, kunwari, nandito na lang si A. Okay? So, eto, 5 meters. Tapos, sinabi sa problem na yung A and B ay 8 meters apart. Okay? Tapos, ito ngayon yung angle of elevation ni B. Tapos, ito yung angle of elevation ni A. So, hindi naman natin alam kung ano yon, tawagin na lang natin na theta. Tapos ito, dapat 2 theta. Kasi twice daw. No? And that's it. So let's now create equations. So let's start by looking at this right triangle. Okay, so in that right triangle, meron tayong base na 5, tapos meron tayong height na h, tapos meron tayong angle na 2 theta. So dahil ito ay right triangle, we can use any of the trigo functions that we have. Specifically, we can use tangent kasi meron tayong opposite side tsaka adjacent side, no? So we have tangent of 2 theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay? Next, let's do the same for the other right triangle that we can derive. Ito naman. Okay? Ganun ulit. Meron kang opposite side, tapos yung adjacent side mo will be this entire length, which is 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay? So we have tangent of theta is equal to h over 13. Okay? And from here, meron tayong dalawang equations with dalawang unknowns. Definitely, we can solve for those. Okay? Medyo messy yung magiging ano nito, magiging solution kapag ka mag-shift solve ka lang kasi meron kang angle tapos meron ka pang unknown na h, no, na nasa labas ng trigo function. So, para sa akin, mas maganda dito kung i-solve natin siya algebraically, no, using trigo identities. So, recall natin na yung double angle identity ng tangent is ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, itong h over 5 ay pwede nating equate sa 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Na kung saan, yung tangent theta, itong h over 13. No? Ayan. So, ito, masasolve na natin yung h kaagad. Okay? So, ito, pwede na natin ito i-shift solve kung gusto nyo. So para lang mas bumilis yung ship salt, ano, etong nasa denominator, i-cross multiply na natin sa kaliwa. Minsan kasi tumatagal kapag ano, yung meron kang nasa denominator side na variable. Lalo na kung ang gamit mo ay canon. Okay, tapos equals 2 times h over 30. Okay, and this gives us 6.24 meters. Okay, and that is our answer.